What's up guys, I'm about to go see Josh and Daniel and we're going to hang out for a bit in town and I'm going to film it, so yeah, let's go have some fun.
Oh, sue me!
When I have
Oh shit!
Okay.
Sorry Josh, but sue me.
Oh fuck! We're gonna go buy walkie-talkies. Then we can talk in the car.
Yeah.
Which one is it?
Oh, this one there.
Is that them?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Like,
I want that colour.
yeah, that's one you were probably gonna.
Josh can have
Yeah,
that
Josh,
one.
and then I get that.
That's
This-
sick.
I'm fucking
Bro.
excited.
Can
3
I take a
kilometer
look at them?
range,
Yeah.
20 hours. USB charging, so they won't go flat.
Do you have the batteries?
There's your 3 batteries.
Thank you, sir. Alright, she's in. Alright.
Oh,
We're good.
How do you hang?
Channel 69.
How do you do that?
Hello? 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 Hello?
That's so sick.
Hold them up, everyone hold them up, the colours. Oh, that's so sick. Alright, we're going for a cruise. We're going to have some fun with these, so I'll find a little spot to put the camera. Yeah, get ready for some fun.
You ready to take things, mate? No.
It's gonna be so fun.
Fucking bitch. Can these pricks hurry up? Just get someone else stuck.
Mate, they're an asshole.
Bro, look at old mate down here on his 3-wheeler.
Oh shit!
Damn, Daniel, he's giving your car a stare.
Bro, I swear to God, when I get to a fucking roundabout, there's so many people that just go in my fucking way. Steve, fuck off!
I am trying to get a video of your car.
Oh, fuck.
Now. Oh, no, don't go too close to the bumper.
I'll try a backflip.
Yeah, look. All about it.
Oh. Wonder how that looked.
Don't touch the antenna when you're doing it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, guess what, guys? You won't guess where we are this time. Hello there. What's up, Colonel Sanders? Hey, can I just get a regular Zinger box with a Pepsi, please?
One regular Zinger box for Pepsi. Anything else?
That's all, thank you.
13.45, please. Drop down.
Cheers.
13.45, thank you.
Just on card.
Thank you. Have a lovely day.
You too. Thank you. You too, bro. I am so fat. Sheesh. Please don't judge me, guys. I know in every single video I've gotten KFC, but like, that's not the point, okay? That's not the point.
Frequency.
Yeah. Don't forget about that.
Imagine your burger just gets squished and you forget about it. Oh, I just missed your ass, man.
There we go. Just filming yourself eating.
Check out my Instagram while you're at it. This man just spilt his gravy on his car. We're gonna go wash our cars. All my vlogs have been car washing and eating KFC. It's not good. My window's not closing. This is really weird. Dirty girl.
I'll be so exhausted. I'ma roll another blunt, getting lost, I'm never found. Guess I'm never good enough for these bitches in my town.